A lawyer has been held guilty for contempt of court for taking Justice Rohinton's father's name needlessly while arguing a matter. Now, the advocate Mathew Nedumpara has been given 2 weeks to reply in this case. This, of course, being the latest coming in at this point. A lawyer now has been held guilty by the Supreme Court for contempt of court for unnecessarily taking Justice Rohinton's father's name while arguing a particular matter. Now, the advocate has been given 2 weeks to reply in this case. Now, before a bench led by Justice Nariman, the said lawyer had named the judge's father, Fali, as Nariman, while arguing the case against the practice of senior advocate designation. Now, the lawyer who has been charged with contempt of court, who's been held guilty for contempt of court by the Supreme Court, has now been given 2 weeks to reply in this matter. Our Deputy News Editor Meenakshi Bhanja on the phone line. Meenakshi, give us a sense of this matter and what really happened in the court.
Well, it was the last date of hearing when we had seen Justice Rohinton completely lose his cool, because this is Advocate Mathew Nedumpara, who had taken the name of Honorable Justice Rohinton's father, Fali Nariman, despite Mr. Fali Nariman having no bearing or connection with the matter that he was arguing. Essentially, Mathew Nedumpara was arguing before a bench which was seeking mandatory senior designation for advocates who have practiced for 30 plus years. Now, to that, clearly the Supreme Court has taken exception, and with this contempt of court conviction that has come by for the lawyer, clearly this is a clear message to all the counsels to not bring up names of relatives without their having any connection to the matter that they are arguing at hand. Like you rightly pointed out, he has now been held guilty for contempt of court by Honorable Justice Rohinton Nariman-led bench, and the lawyer has also been given 2 weeks to file his reply. Alongside, the Supreme Court has gone ahead and dismissed this particular petition which the lawyer was arguing, seeking directions that advocates who have 30 or 35 years of practice or experience and have crossed 60 years of age should be by default declared as senior advocates. That petition stands dismissed, and the lawyer has been convicted of contempt of court for taking Justice Nariman's father's name without the father having any connection to the matter that the lawyer was arguing.